Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem. It's 3.8 class 11 physics. Okay, it's a third chapter, 8th problem we are going to discuss. Okay, the problem is based on relative velocity. Okay, relative velocity, when you are solving the relative velocity, you should keep it one thing in your mind. Okay, when it is in the same direction, you have to subtract the velocity. When it is in opposite direction, you should add the velocity. Okay, there are three cars is given. Car A is moving this side 36 km per hour. Okay, car B and C, it is in opposite direction. Okay, C is opposite to A. Like that is given in the question. Okay, so both is 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, this three cars is moving like this. Okay, A and B same side, C is opposite side. If you want B with respect to A means you have to subtract this velocity. Okay, if you want A with C with respect to A means so you should add with the velocity. When it is approaching opposite direction, you should add the velocity. When it is moving with same direction, you should subtract the velocity. That you should keep it in mind when you are doing with relative velocity problem. Okay, now first initially before going to the question, I will solve primary thing what is required in this. Okay, velocity of A, velocity of B, velocity of C. First you should convert meter per second. It is 36 kilometer per hour. 36 kilometer per hour. So 36,000 divided by 3,600 meter per second. 0 get cancelled. This is one time. So we'll have 10 meter per second. Okay, next it is 54 kilometer per hour. This also 54 kilometer per hour. Now 54,000 because 1000 divided by 3,600. Okay, meter per second. Just you have to convert the unit, SI unit. Okay, for whatever unit is given, you should convert as a SI unit. Yeah, whatever unit is given, you should convert as the meter kilogram second SI unit. Okay, 0 get cancel. Okay, so 54, both the same value only. 54 into 10 divided by 36 you can write. It is going to be 2 times, it's going to be 18 times. Okay, sorry, this is going to be 5 times, 2 table cancel. Okay, this 1 time, this is 3 time. So velocity of A, velocity of B, velocity of C, it's going to be 15 meter per second. So A is 10, B is 15, C is 15. Okay, now I converted as a unit. Now we will find relative velocity. Velocity of B with respect to A. So velocity of B minus velocity of A, because both is approaching in the same direction. Okay, 15 minus 10 I will get as a 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. It is a velocity of B with respect to A, because both is in a same direction. Okay, B and A is in the same direction. A and C, it is in the opposite direction. Velocity of C with respect to A, velocity of C plus velocity of A, which is going to be 15 plus 10, I will get 25 meter per second. Okay, now I got relative velocity. Now we will see the question what is asked. Okay, there are two cars is there, three car is there. Okay, so B car and A car, the distance is 1 kilometer. Okay, C car and A car, the distance is 1 kilometer. Exactly, AB distance and AC distance is equal, 1 kilometer 1 kilometer. Okay, now when they are going with two line road, okay, when they are going with two line road, only two cars can move. Okay, so both are in a same distance. A and B are in the same distance, same velocity also. Okay, now they asked B decide to overtake the A. Okay, but without accident he has to cross the A. Okay, so now what is the acceleration of B should give to go with behind A? Okay, overtake the A before cross the C. Okay, that's the question. Okay, it's a little difficult to understand. Okay, now first I am calculating here how much time will be taken A and B when it is coming closer. Okay, so the distance is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay, 1000 meter. Relative velocity of this velocity of C with respect to A, 25 meter per second. Okay, what is time? Velocity is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by velocity, cross multiplication I am doing. Okay, so now distance is 1000. Okay, 1000 meter, velocity is 25 meter per second. Meter get cancelled. Okay, this going to be so 4 times 40 seconds. Okay, time is 40 seconds. So 40 seconds A and C will come closer. Okay, so before the 40 second, B has to cross the A. Okay, now it is now very simple. Okay, now time period I know before so he has to maximum time B can take to overtake the A. B can take time to overtake the A, maximum time 40 seconds only he can take, because within 40 seconds he will come closer to A. Okay, now time I got, distance, how much distance he has to cross 1000 meter. Okay, now what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity of B is it's going to be, already we know that's going to be B with respect to the A. Okay, that's going to be the velocity of B. Okay, which is going to be 5 meter per second. So this everything I know. I want what is the acceleration should be B. Okay, B car, what is the acceleration he has to give to reach overtake the A. Okay, without accident. Okay, now S is equal to ut plus of at square. Okay, so this equation is suitable for this. Okay, you can choose any of the equation. If you know the logic easily, you can do it whatever you want. Okay, this is 1000, 1000, this is 5, this is 40. Okay, plus of A, T is 40, 40 into 40, just a simplification you should do. This going to be 200. This, if you are bringing as left side, 1000 minus 200, 800 I will get. Okay, half times of A, 40 into 40. Next step you should do the simplification, that's it. Okay, so easily you can do the simplification. So 800 is equal to half times of A, 40 into 40. Okay, this 2 you can bring this side. Okay, 2 into 800. This 40 you can bring as a denominator. 40 into 40 is equal to A. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. This is 2 times. Okay, so this is 2 times. This is 2 times 1. Okay, finally A is equal to 1 meter by second square. It is the acceleration of the B should give to overtake as A without accident. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more video, you can go and see in my playlist. I am given all the videos. Thank you.